Welcome to Seeker UK. Today we've finally completed our new premises. Very exciting things to come for 2020 despite COVID-19. We are moving to a new 1.1 acre site with a 13,500 square foot building, so we can produce more beautiful style trucks like this one. This is a brand new Nissan Navara Seeker Tungsten based on the brand new latest edition 2020 model with the Apple Car plates, raised on the back by 45 millimeters more than the last shape. It's got different wheels, so it sits higher, it's on coils, it rides superb. Wider inside, a wider screen for the visual, so lots of changes. I'll walk you around it. What we've done, we've upgraded the tyres to mud terrains, Seeker Tungsten Graphics, full D-chrome, full black pack. I would say we make the best Nissans value for money, pound for pound, over any other stylist. So graphics included free of charge, privacy glass, wind deflected, black pack, the unique Seeker roll bar in matte. This one's got a load area cover, soft shell. Headlight guards, like I say, we black the bumper. These start at 26,950 plus metallic. Brand new Techno automatic. Wide arches in body colour. Absolutely beautiful. Do you know, I drove it last night home, which is about 30 miles away, and I just thought, God, this drives so well with the front chin bar and the blackout pack and the front headlight. It just looks lovely. People stare at it in the fuel station. 20 grand over 5 years is about $399 a month. We take part exchange, price match, like for like, nationwide delivery. We do business finance, lease. We are now the largest styling pickup dealer in, I would dare say, Europe. That's a fact. So come and see us at Seeker UK. I'll take you inside this car as well. Just bear with me. Like I say, all leather with a yellow stitching. There you go. So big wide screen. Come and order a brand new one today. 6 to 8 weeks for build. Thank you.